Hi boys and girls, this is the second part of our series comparing numbers. Let's begin. Meet Ali the hungry alligator. Ali alligator loves to eat numbers, but first he likes to compare them. He puts the numbers on his side to see which one is greater or larger and which is less or smaller. He opens his mouth and eats the larger number. He turns his back on the smaller number. So how he does it? He thinks of the numbers on a line and he places them in his head to see which one is more and which one is less. Are you seeing the number line, the numbers on a line? Here it is. So he thinks of a line, he puts the numbers in order in his head, and he tries to figure out which number is smaller and which is greater. So here we have two numbers. We have the number 8 and the number 3. So Ali alligator wants to eat the greater number. So this is the number 3 on the line. This is where it is. And look at where number 8 is. Which number do you think he will eat? Which is greater? The number 8. So 8 is greater than 3. Sometimes he gets confused when both numbers are the same, so he closes his mouth. So we have 2 and he has to compare it with another 2. Both are the same, so he is not going to eat it, so his mouth is closed. When he turns to the number on the right, we call him less than. So when he turns to eat the number on this side, this is the right side, when he looks like this, facing that way, we call him less than. When he turns to eat the number on the left side, we call him greater than. So when you look at him, he is facing the number that is greater. So he's facing the left. This is the left side. So he points to the bigger number. His back is turned to the smaller number. So that is his mouth that's open here. He's going to eat this number here. So this, when he's in this position, looking at the left number or the number on the left, he is in the greater than position. Remember, when he closes his mouth, we call him equal. Why do we call him equal? Because both numbers on the side, on both sides, are the same, so he just closes his mouth. So the lines here show his mouth is closed. We call that sign the equal sign. So let's practice. So which number is greater? So Ali alligator has to compare two numbers, the number 2 and the number 6. Which number is greater? The number 6. So now we have to compare. So let's see what Ali alligator will do. He will turn his back on the number that is less, and he will open his mouth to eat the number that is greater. So when we're reading it from this side, when he's pointing to the right side, we say less than. So starting when we have to read this, we will say 2 is less than 6. So 2 is less than 6. Let's try another one. So Ali alligator has two numbers to compare again, the number 8 and the number 1. Which number is greater? Remember, he only eats the number that is greater, the number 8. So he's going to open his mouth to eat the number 8. So let's read it from the left to right. Remember, when he's facing the left, we call it greater. So Let's read from left to right. It goes 8 is greater than 1. Let's do it again. 8 is greater than 1. When he's facing the left, we say greater. Let's try another one. So now we have 3. He has to compare the numbers 3 and 2. Which number do you think alligator will eat? Remember, he only eats the greater number. So wherever it is, that is where his mouth is going to open to. So, right. So if we have to read the numbers from the left and move across to this way, it's going to be 3 is greater than. Remember when he's facing to eat that side? We call it greater than. So 3 is greater than 2. Let's try another one. Which number is greater? So we have the same number 9 on both sides. What do you think alligator will do? He will close his mouth. That's it. They are the same. So he will close his mouth. This sign, when we look at this sign, we say equal to. So let's read from the left to the right. We say 9 is equal to 9. They are the same. Can you remember the signs we can use when comparing numbers? When alligator is eating on this side, we say less than. When alligator closes his mouth, we say equal to. And when alligator eats on the left, or the number on this side, we say greater than. I hope you had fun enjoying listening and trying to figure out the numbers that are greater, less than, and equal to. Bye.